So the DMS mission and tagline is very similar. So it comes from defining what our why is as a company. So our why is creating the great experience for our suppliers, for our customers, for our employees, and for our local community. And it's something that we've really, as an organization, taken to heart, and it's core to every decision that we make as a company, and our focus on growth, both from a personnel, from a training, and from industry growth in the markets we serve. You know, my most memorable moment, so we had just started the company. So we had formed the company. We didn't have a name yet. We didn't have a building. We didn't really have a staff, but we had a PowerPoint presentation that I had used to sell kind of the idea of the organization to get the organization funded. So it was more of a business plan. And so I went to a customer, a local customer in Austin, Texas, and I met with them. And I said, look, I've got to go meet with somebody. I'm so excited about what we're doing as a company and where we're heading. Although we hadn't done anything yet, I met with this customer and I presented the company. And so I started out with a PowerPoint, and I told them all the things we were going to do and where we were heading and our plan. And they said, you know, wait a minute. So do you have a building yet? Do you have a place you're going to do this? I'm like, not yet. Do you have what do you call yourself? What do you call the company? Like, we don't have a name yet, but we're working on that. And do you have a staff, Rob? I mean, you've got a really nice presentation, but who do the work? I'm like, I'm working on that also. And they looked at me and they said, you know, Rob, we've known you for a long time. You know, we believe that you're really going to do this, but do me a favor, come back to us when you've actually done this and you have something to truly sell. And so today that company became one of our very first customers. And they've been a customer since the very beginning. But it started out with a sales pitch. There's really nothing, you know, DMS, we didn't have a name yet. We are very active in the ARMA organization, so it's the Austin Regional Manufacturing Association. It's a advocacy group for manufacturers. And Ed Latson, who runs the organization, said, look, Rob, you know, I'm going to nominate you for this. You guys have grown so much in both what you do for the community and for ARMA, but also as a company. When I found out the people that were involved with ACG, it created a sense of trust, and I go, wait a minute, this is a real organization. And what it stands for, the corporate growth, it's what our company's all about. We have not been involved very long with ACG, but we have from the contacts that we have made, from the relationships that have been forming, and this is only in 2 to 3 weeks, so this is a very short term. Definitely, it's created a very strong impact, from leadership coaching to talking to other companies that are also kind of in a similar path to DMS. I think it's been a very good experience for us. What does it mean to DMS to win the Corporate Growth Award? It means a lot. You know, we are, as an organization, we are truly all about growth, both from a business success perspective and growing in our market, but also growing our team and growing the people that call DMS, you know, their employer and their home and their family. And it's not me. I mean, we've got, you know, 280 families that we feed within this organization, and we look at it as a group of families that are all supported by our company. We're very excited about growth. I mean, growth, if you look at, I mean, our mission is creating a great experience, but I'll tell you what, every single day we're driving to grow. I mean, if it's both growing our top line, you know, our bottom line from a business perspective, but also growing the people that are within our four walls. So the whole fact that this reward was centered around growth, it's what we're all about. It's very important to us.